Hey guys, Troy here, owner of Titan Off-Road Safe. You guys have heard me talk about this many times. I'm sitting here getting the Jeep ready, do some off-roading, do some rock crawling here tomorrow, and getting her all on the trailer, ready to rock. And, excuse me, I noticed that I got a new product on the Jeep that we haven't revealed yet. And had me thinking now's the time I wanted to talk to you guys about this one. The website launches on November 1st, so not very far away, so I felt like I could release some information on this one and not have to worry about people seeing it. It sounds silly, but you know, this market is really competitive, and I have a lot of followers and other parts manufacturers that I've worked with in the past and have a relationship with, and I don't put it above anybody to grab an idea and be like, you know, that's cool, let's do it. So anyhow, here this one is. So for those of you challenged by height, got a roof rack, rooftop tent, you get your normal step, and you got it right here. There's your step. And on some of them it might be just about this height, but that's a ways to the top, right? And what I noticed on the step I bought when I went to get up on my roof rack is the top of that right there, that was above my waistline, so I couldn't bend forward to get over the top and tie anything down. It was just good enough for me to get on that side, barely, and it just was a pain. So as I got into this business was because I just kept putting stuff on the Jeep and said, you know, this would be better if, this would be cooler if. My wife got so sick of hearing it, and she just said, Troy, you've got the means, you got the know-how, and for what you don't, you know enough people that are in this business or related fields that you can do this, so why don't you? And after hearing that an awful lot, I decided, you know what, she's right. I do have the means, I do have the know-how. Time wasn't something that I've got much of, but you know, it's important enough to me. You know, this is more than just a business to me. This is a lifestyle. It's something I'm absolutely passionate about, and I know there are others out there just like me who go, you know what, this would be better if, this would be cooler if. And so this is the cooler if here. So now you get up on that top step, you can see right there, even for somebody who's 5 feet tall, when they step on that top step, their waist is at or above the roof line, which means they can lean over the top. They've got a much better field vision. They got a much better, you know, they can get around the roof rack or the rooftop tent, and it's just a really cool product. It looks really good. It is incredibly strong. We used a very thick sheet of steel to make this. God, it looks really good. Such a nice job with the logo in there, and slip resistant. As you guys can see, you are not coming off that guy right there, which was another issue I had with a different product that I bought. It was a real good functional step, but it had a piece of smooth aluminum on the top that I think was supposed to look cool, and honestly it did. However, you know, we're not out here in dry perfect conditions. We're on the trail, off-road. It rains outside. They get mud all over them, and step on that and bust your face. No thank you. So that was important to us as we were designing this one. It was important to get, you know, pretty much all of the products that we're developing and designing are not thin, you know, non-durable material. We're looking to make these things last a lifetime. I don't want anybody having to replace something because it bent, broke, wore out, whatever. That's not what we're doing here. So these are all really beefy parts, everything that I turn out. If you saw my foot peg, same way. This video is getting really long and it's almost commercial, like I do not want that to be the case. Just no script here, just speaking from the heart, guys. Another product that we're going to be showing today, that's the trailer hitch step. And again, another product that I had, smooth surface across the top, looked great. And that one I actually did bust my freaking nose on that right there. That was not a fun experience, and making them slip resistant was a big deal to me. So anyways, I just wanted to talk about that while it was on the Jeep. I thought, yep, it's close enough to talk to about. It's close enough to show off a little bit. So there's a Titan off-road dual step. I hope you guys like it, and just enjoy everything that we produce for you guys. It means a lot that so many people have been so supportive already. So take care. I hope you have as much fun wheeling this weekend as I'm about to. Take care.